Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all a very simple recipe for roasted tomato and shrimp pasta using my Brava oven. If you don't own a Brava, of course you can do this in your regular oven. So let me show you guys how easy this is to put together. So with the Brava you can roast multiple items on one tray. If you're doing this in your oven, you'll need to do it separately. I'm adding some garlic flavored coconut oil to both of the items. The front of the Brava tray I put my shrimp, and on the back I put my cherry tomatoes. I'm seasoned with some salt, and I'm going in with some of this everything seasoning, or you can use an all-purpose seasoning or fish seasoning, whichever you prefer, and season liberally. Next, I'm going to go to the cook setting, and I'm using their presets for this. So the recipes are preset so that it's really easy to follow, because you can't mix and match any of the vegetables if you're cooking it on the same tray. You'll need to follow their steps so you know what you're cooking, at what temperature, if you're doing this separately. But the Brava, the cherry tomatoes goes to the back of the tray and the shrimp goes to the front. And we have to put it in just like that. What happens is it's going to cook the cherry tomatoes at a different temperature and the shrimp at a different temperature, so it finishes at the same time. This Brava comes with a camera that is inside so you can see and watch your food while it cooks. Now once it's done, it finishes really quickly. It took just 7 minutes and 4 seconds. And when it came out, just look at those bubbles. You can see it searing away still. This is being cooked with light technology with halogen bulbs. It roasted the shrimp and the tomatoes perfectly. Here I have some pre-boiled pasta that I'm going to add my roasted tomatoes and shrimp to. Look at the skin on that tomatoes, that beautiful color that it got. Now at this point, you can add in some extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil. Go in with some fresh basil, and you're going to toss and coat everything with that delicious tomato. So you're going to squish down on the tomatoes so we release that delicious juice in the tomato, and it's going to coat the pasta. This dish was so light, so easy, so flavorful. My husband was really impressed that the Brava did this. It packed so much flavor in there. So guys, that's it. All you have to do is taste this and then serve. It was really easy to use. I like the presets. Once you follow the presets, it's really easy. As I said, if you're doing this in your regular oven, you're going to put everything on a separate plate because it's going to finish cooking at separate times. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Comment and let me know if you make it. If you have any questions about making it in your regular oven, feel free to leave them down below for me. Thank you all so much for watching. I will leave instructions in the description box. Continue to stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.